Hey guys, Gary from DIY Electronics. Today what I got for you is I just want to show you this Reolink kit that I actually bought because I taught a college class at this local community college on the installation of CCTV systems in the residential home, and this is the system that I used. And basically what this video is going to be about is if anybody's interested in a Reolink system, I'm going to be selling this on my website very cheap. I'm just going to go over what I've got with the package, and I really do like the Reolink for its quality of cameras and everything else, but the only other thing I don't like about Reolink is they are very, very, very proprietary. Meaning that you can take one of their cameras and you will not jailbreak that thing and put it onto some other system. I have tried, and that's why this kit did come with 4 cameras. Now there's only 3 because I broke down one of the cameras and I tried to corrupt the firmware on it to try to you know, put it on to say a Hike Vision or a Dahua, and I couldn't figure out how to do it, and I didn't want to damage the system any further. So my loss is your gain, and I'm going to be selling this on my website. So let me just turn around and I'll show you what you're going to get in the package if you are interested. Okay. This system that I bought is a. Let me get my glasses on here, guys. It's a RLK8 410B4 4 megapixel. It did come with 4 cameras, but now there's only 3. Alright. It comes with a 8-channel. It's an 8-channel NVR. Alright. Let's see. I'm trying to think. I believe that the hard drive is a 1 terabyte, and you get, of course, you know, you get all the accessories. You know, the mouse, HDMI cord, you get a network cable, alright, and then you get 3, this is the one camera I used at the college class, so it's a little dirty, but it does work. Everything works on it, and it will come with, you know, the 3 cameras, and 2 of them are brand spanking new, never even taken out of the wrapper, and of course you got 3 100-foot cables. And you got some weather protectors, but everything's in the box. This system cost me roughly around $400. I'm going to sell it for I'll sell this thing right now for $125 and plus shipping. All right. The shipping on this, I'm going to say by weight, is going to be right around $15. You know what? I'm gonna ship it for free. You give me $125, you get this thing for free. I'm gonna put it on my website today. All right? Because I'm not a Reolink guy. I am Hik Vision, American Dynamics, and I'm also Dahua, and well, Pelco too. I like Pelco, but my main trade is Hik Vision and Dahua. So if you guys are interested in this, I'm going to leave a link down below. $125, free shipping. I'll send it out to you. Thanks for watching, guys. And everything's defaulted on it. You might see a couple of videos of my backyard or something like that, but as soon as you power it up, you have to put in your own password and all that good stuff. So it's you know, basically fresh out of the box. Thanks for watching, guys. Thumbs up, thumbs down, ring the bell. And I'll see you on the next one.